स्वागत है आपका शॉर्टहैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. The petitioner having been selected as a constable for being appointed in the Uttar Pradesh Police Services was subjected to police verification full stop. His verification report was received to the effect that the petitioner was involved in a criminal case prior to his selection and therefore such involvement does not entitle him to seek employment in the police services full stop. Accordingly, his candidature was cancelled full stop. The petitioner made a representation which was not being considered as a result, whereof he filed writ petition number 69759 of 2006, which was disposed of on 20th December 2006 to examine the claim of the petitioner and pass an appropriate order full stop para in compliance of the aforesaid direction. The impugned order dated 5th January 2007 was passed on the ground that the petitioner was involved in a criminal case and therefore such involvement does not entitle him for employment in the police services full stop. After passing of the said order, the petitioner was honorably acquitted by the criminal court in case crime number 616 of 2006 and the decision was rendered by the trial court on 29th January 2007 full stop. It is therefore clear that the said judgment was not before the senior superintendent of police when he passed the order dated 5th January 2007 full stop. The petitioner has approached this court questioning the correctness of the impugned order and has brought on record the order of acquittal through a supplementary affidavit full stop. This court, after examining the said acquittal order dated 29th January 2007, passed an interim order on 28/8/2007 staying the operation of the order dated 5th January 2007 till the next date of listing full stop. A counter affidavit has been filed on behalf of the state and the same position has been taken, namely that the petitioner being involved in a criminal case was not entitled for being selected and appointed full stop para. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the acquittal of the petitioner entitles him for employment full stop. It is submitted that the impact of the acquittal order is that the petitioner was never involved in any criminal case and even otherwise the petitioner had filed an affidavit before the authorities disclosing his involvement full stop. He submits that this honest disclosure was in accordance with rules and keeping in view the subsequent acquittal, the claim of the petitioner deserves to be reconsidered in the light of the same full stop. Learned standing counsel, on the other hand, contends that the petitioner had an antecedent of being involved in a criminal case and therefore it cannot be said that the impugned order is erroneous full stop. He further submits that the order was passed on the basis of the material that was available and in the absence of the order of acquittal, it cannot be said that the order suffers from any infirmity full stop. Having heard learned counsel for the parties, the contention of the learned standing counsel to the effect that the order of acquittal was not in existence when the impugned order was passed appears to be correct full stop para. However, in view of the subsequent development which indicates an advantage in favor of the petitioner, in my opinion, requires the matter to be reconsidered in the light of the order of acquittal full stop. The petitioner, after having been acquitted, will be presumed to have never been involved in any criminal case full stop. A perusal of the judgment indicates that it was a clean acquittal full stop. The stain having been erased on a judicial verdict by the competent court washes out the effect of involvement full stop. This has to be viewed from another angle full stop. A person, if falsely implicated, runs the risk of losing the opportunity to get a job, and it is here that injustice should not be allowed to dislodge an otherwise valid claim full stop over